Welcome to watch today's Fresham. A contemporary wooden house, in the woods. It's a thoughtful and sensitive home that doesn't impose itself, but invites you to live in step with the landscape created by Oskar Firek Architects. An interior where natural materials, custom-made furniture, and works of art form a timeless and coherent balance. The house, with a surface area of 406 square meters, is spread over 3 levels. On the ground floor, a large living room with lounge opening through large bay windows onto a large terrace with a view of the trees. Next to it, a kitchen and a dining area lit by an original round opening. Located in the center of the house, this space is completed by a guest bathroom, a guest bedroom and, in the technical part, a storeroom, a dressing room and a garage.